Hello everyone, want to delete your Chatgpt account? I'll walk you through the process in just few simple steps. First, open the Chatgpt app on your phone. Once you are logged in, tap on the two horizontal lines located at the top left corner of the screen to open the side menu. Next, scroll down and tap on your profile at the bottom of the menu. Here you will see several options related to your account. Look for data controls and tap on it. Now, scroll down until you find the option that says Delete Account. Tap on it. A confirmation message will appear asking if you are sure you want to delete your account. Tap Delete to confirm. And that's it. Your Chatgpt account will be deleted and all your data associated with it will be removed. Deleting your account is permanent, so make sure you really want to go through with it before confirming. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick and easy guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.